I am Gürkan. I left Istanbul 4 years ago to discover the world in my own way. After backpacking across Europe, I traveled to Central America. I had almost no money. I hitchhiked, camped, and volunteered on the way. One day sleeping on the beach in Cuba, the next few days among homeless people in Mexico, or even top of a pyramid. Seeking nothing but connecting with the people around me, I had nothing to lose. After spending 5 months between Cuba and Mexico, I met with Chloe in San Cristobal. Our instant connection changed my story completely. I left South America after 8 months to live with her in France. My destination might have changed along the road, but my way of living remained the same, seeking nothing less than adventures. Later on, we bought our first one to escape from the city and hit the road whenever we had free time. And after 1 year, we bought our second one and became full-time van lifers to wander our world in a slow and sustainable way. So, this is my story. What is yours?